Good morning, student. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of class 7, chapter 5, lines and angles. Angle, what is angle? Angle is formed when lines or line segments meet or intersect each other at a point. Now complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Now supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles. Two angles with the same vertex, one arm is common and the other arm is lying on the opposite side of the common arm are called the adjacent angles. Now linear pair. Two adjacent complementary angles forms the linear pair. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other at a point, the two pairs of angles formed without any common arm are called vertically opposite angles. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 5a, question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. First part is 25 degree. Exercise 5a, question number 1. We have to find the complement of 25 degree. So two angles are complement if their sum is 90 degree. So let the complement of 25 degree be x. Then 25 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. So this will become, x will become 90 minus 25. This is equal to 65 degree. This is the answer. Now rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following. Now question number 2, first part. Two angles are supplement if their sum is 180 degree. Two angles are supplement if their sum is 180 degree. Now let the supplement of 45 degree be x. Then 45 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So now x will become 180 minus 45. Now this will become 135 degree. Now rest of the part you can do it as homework. Now question number 3. Write down the angle which is twice its supplement. Now question number 3. Let the one supplement angle be x. And twice of supplement angle will become 2x. Now so we know that two supplement angles is equal to 180 degree. Two supplement is equal to 180 degree. So this will become x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x become 3x is equal to 180 degree. X will become 180 by 3. 3 6 is 18. X will become 60 degree. And twice of supplementary angle become is 2x. It will become 2 into, we will put the value of x which is 60. Now 2 into 60 is equal to 120 degree. That is the answer. Now next question number 4. find the angle which is equal to its complement. Now, similar to question third, let one of the two equal complement angle be x. Let one of the two equal complement angles be x. Now this will become x plus x is equal to 90 degree. Now x plus x, 2x is equal to 90 degree. Now x will become 90 upon 2. This will become x is equal to 45 degree. Now thus 45 degree is equal to its complement. Now next, question number 5. Name the adjacent angle in the following figures. Now we have to find the name the adjacent angles. Now we can see here XOY and YOZ. Angle XO, this angle, and this angle. XOY and YOZ are adjacent angle. So question number 5. First part, adjacent angles are angle XOY and angle YOZ. Similarly, second part. Now in this, adjacent angles are angle SOR and angle ROQ. SOR and ROQ. Angle SOR and angle ROQ. Now second one, angle SOR and angle ROP. SOR and ROP are adjacent angles. Angle SOR and angle ROP. Now third, angle SOQ and angle QOP. Angle SOQ and angle QOP. Now angle ROQ and angle QOP. Angle ROQ and angle QOP. Now next, question number 6, you can do it as a homework. Now move to next question, which is question number 7. Find the value of x in the following figures. Now question number 7, first part. Now from the figure we can see that x and x plus 30 forms a linear pair. So we can write from the figure it is clear that x and x plus 30 degree forms a linear pair. Hence x plus 30 should be equal to 180 degree. Now x plus x will become 2x plus 30 is equal to 180. Now 2x will become 180 plus 30 will become minus 30 when it goes to the right hand side. Now 2x 180 minus 30 will become 150. X will become 150 upon 2. Now 2 sevens are 14, 1 and 0, 10. So 2 5s are 10. X will become 75 degree. hence now we let this angle lines A, B and C, D. Now hence angle AOC, angle AO, central point is O, angle AOC means x is 75, hence angle AOC is equal to x, which is equal to 75 degree. Now angle BOC, this angle will become BOC. So angle BOC, which is equal to x plus 30 degree. X, the value of x is 75 plus 30. Now 75 plus 30 will become 105 degree. This is the answer. Now second part. From the figure it is clear that 45 degree, 65 degree and x form a linear pair. Similarly, from the figure it is clear that 45 degree, 65 degree and x form a linear pair. Hence this will become 45 plus 65 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 45 plus 65, 45 plus 65 will become 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x will become 180 minus 110. So the value of x will become 70 degree. So value of x is 70 degree. This is the answer. Now third part. From the figure it is clear that x plus 10 degree plus 2x plus 20 degree form a linear pair. Third part. X plus 10 degree and x plus 20 degree, sorry, 2x plus 20. X plus 10 degree and 2x plus 20 degree form a linear pair. Hence x plus 10 degree plus 2x plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 2x will become 3x and 10 plus 20 will become 30. Now 3x will become 180. This plus 30 will become of minus 30 when it goes to the right hand side. So this will 3x is equal to 180 minus 30 means 150 degree. Now x will become 150 upon 3. 150 upon 3 means 3 5s are 15 and 0. Now hence angles should be x plus 10 will become means 50 plus 10 means 60 degree, and other angle is 2x plus 10 means 2 into the value of x is 50 plus 10, so 20. 20 into 2 into 50 will become 100 plus 20. This will become 100 plus 20 means 120 degree. So 60 degree and 120 degree are the answer. Now question number 8 is fill in the is true and false. You can do it as a homework. Now exercise 5B. Exercise 5B you can try it at home. Now thank you.